let's look how Romance and Violetta will dance Tango silver level choreography with the count. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, 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 slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Very good. Let's look from another angle. And quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, 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 slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Very good. And now let's look at the same choreography, this time in slow motion. So we take closed hold and we start with open reverse turn, lady outside and open finish. We continue with outside swivel and 4-step change. Now we dance basic progressive link, and from here we dance Fallaway Promenade. You see, we go back in Fallaway and we finish with closed promenade. Very good. Let's look once again. So we take closed tango hold and start with open reverse turn with lady outside and with open finish, so that we continue with outside swivel and 4-step change. Now progressive link and Fallaway Promenade, which we finish in promenade position, and from here we dance closed promenade. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance, YouTube and Facebook videos. Thank you. And today, I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.